Dun, 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 dun. Hello, 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 hello. Let's see how we're doing. Let's see. Here we go. I think we're all set up. Kenny set this up for me so it was like live. But it's only showing 2 people are watching. So if you can see me, say, "Hey, Stephanie," or "I see you," or anything like that. Oh, there we go. Now it just went from 2 people to 108. So I guess it wasn't counting. So hi, Quilty. Hello. Hi, Gloria. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Russ. Hello, hello. Hang on. Oh, you might hear a little one downstairs. She's downstairs and she's very upset that I'm up here. Hi, Carol. Hi, Margaret in East Ohio. Oh, Wendy already got her order in. Wendy, I just made them live on the website. You're amazing. Hi, Christy. Hi, Marianne. Hi, Karen. Hi, Arla. Hi, Shanika. Thank you. Hi, Jeanette. Hi, Pam. Hi, Jerry. Hi, Sylvie. Okay. Hi, Stephanie in Iowa. Well, first, before I even show you anything, where to go? The kids get the book, the magazine Highlights. It's called High Five from Highlights. You know Highlights. When you see the logo, you'll recognize it. But it was just delivered to my house because I have it delivered here. And excuse me, I guess I'm ahead of the curve because look what is on front, a koala. So it is koala season everywhere. And that's exciting because I'm ahead of the curve on that one. So hello, 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 my friends. Welcome to a special episode of a live release of the Kit Club. I'm really excited about the Kit Club. But before I jump into the Card Kit Club, because I know there's some people that are still going to join us in just a second. So I know, isn't that funny, Colty? Whoosh. Let me show you all that we have 3 items on flash sale right now. Number 1, brand new on our website, Thinking of You, the words Thinking of You as a fold it. That is one item on flash sale. Another item is the cap and gown, which is really fun because you can change the colors for any of the graduates. Perfect for preschool graduation, kindergarten graduation, elementary school graduation, middle school, high school, college, doctorate, everything, right? And I have more samples to show you, but it's fun because you can change the colors of them. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Now those numbers on there, the numbers are on the next item. And this one I spent a lot of time designing, a lot of time. And it's this one, it's class of, and it's a card front. So this brown is all one piece. You are not gluing any of those little tiny pieces in there. This brown is all one piece. And then you can put the numbers in there if you want. So class of 2026. You get to decide what numbers go in there. And I was able to get all the numbers in there, in that die, which is pretty amazing. But it's perfect for shaker card fronts, right? Because the shaker card fronts are perfect for that. So this has the cap and the diploma and then class of, and you get to fill it in. So it's really fun and you're going to love that one too. That's an example. Oh, here's another one with the card with the shaker, but on the other side of it. So you can see all those shaker bits in there. So fun. K-Motto says, this card front is very clever. I love that we can choose the numbers. Yes. So it's very versatile. It will last you forever, right? Ever, which is good. Here's some more of the Thinking of Yous really quick. Thinking of You. Perfect for anything, right? Sympathy, hello, miss you, get well, anything you want. Thinking of You, which is really fun. And it's large and in charge. So this is A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Kit Club's next, pretty soon. Here we go on another graduate cap, which is really fun. And now, are you guys ready? First of all, I have to open the door a little because I am like ready to cook. Hang on. Ugh. I'm going to cook. Okay. So, just a heads up. Kit Club is shipping tomorrow. If you are not in the Kit Club and this interests you, you need to join immediately because this one will sell out. Just like all the koala stuff sold out at the beginning of the month, this is all going to sell out. So I highly recommend you jump in on this ASAP. Also, the paper pads are on the website for our Gold Club members. So are you guys ready? Are you ready? Our Serenity says, are the letters all one piece in the Thinking of You? Yes, it is all one piece. Thinking of You is all one piece. So you're not gluing anything. You're just gluing and going one thing. Okay. Are you ready? Get set. Dun, 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 dun. Are you ready? Uh-oh. Jaylene says there were a few of us hanging out on the YouTube for crafting corners. Uh-oh. Wrong one. Wrong one. Okay. Are you ready? First of all, my friends, you're getting 2 Ken freebies. 2 Ken freebies. What are Ken freebies? That means items that he has found in the warehouse that are extra, that are older, that instead of putting them on the website, he's like, I'm going to give them to you for free. So you're getting 2 Ken freebies for the next, I think it's 5 months, right, in the Kit Club. So you're getting 2 Ken freebies. I'm not even going to show them to you because they're going to be different. Of course, you're getting the handy dandy storage envelope, right? And you're, of course, getting your envelopes. Now, let's look at the cardstock colors. Here we go. So this is, of course, your powdered sugar. Let me get your powdered sugar. Then we have artichoke. Then we have, and let me make sure I'm getting all of these correct. Then you have your storm and your cloud for your koalas. Then you have your marigold, and you have your kiwi, and you have your sunflower, and you have your cherry. So there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's all the colors. Okay. Yes, you're getting an A1 card base in this kit. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Donna says she's making the cross flip it as she watches the show. Yay! Sherry says, love the envelope. I know. Yes, you were getting Ken freebies, Polly, in the card kit. You're getting 2 Ken freebies in the card kit. Now, let's ribbon. Ding, ding, ding. Gingham ribbon. Show you that. Then I got to keep this kit together because we're going to end up sending this to somebody. You're also getting fun bumpy pearls, which are really fun. Bumpy pearls, lots of those in yellow. This is the first time we've done this. And I am very eager to hear what you guys have to say about this. This was my idea. I had to fight for this one a little bit because somebody, not Ken, disagreed with me on this. But we were going to put in bows and the ribbon, right? Well, we always do bows that do not match the ribbon. This time I said, no, I'm putting in bows that match the ribbon. It's the exact same ribbon. So I want to know if you guys like this, having them be the same, or would you prefer them to be different? I like having them be the same because then I don't have to make a bow. I can just put this on and boom, right there. So then it's ready to go. I'm hoping you guys like having them the same as much as I do. Teresa says Reagan says yes. I love that. Yes. Love the matching ribbon and bows. Yes. I like the matching. See, you guys, we are all on the same wavelength. You and me are all on the same wavelength. If you like them matching, you and I are like peas of a pod, right? We like the matchy match. I love it being the same because boom, done, right? Like it's together, done. Don't have to think about it, right? Okay, I love that you guys love it. Okay, yay. Okay, Dawn says she still can't tie bows, so she loves it. Crafty BFFs, right? Reagan, you're exactly right. Russ likes the matching. Margie likes the matching. Same. Karen says. Kellyanne says matching. I love you guys so much. Thank you. You have given me hope because I had to fight for this. But I love it. So this is going to happen more in the future. Okay, this will happen more in the future. In fact, if we do bows from now on, my rule is it has to match. So yay, I love you guys all for saying that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wendy says, please keep the matching. Yay! Oh yes, please give me a thumbs up and a heart and a share. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. Oh, you're getting the words Forever Friends in this font. Oh, I hope you, there you can see it. There's Forever Friends with the vindication and validation. Corey, thank you, my love. Thank you, thank you. Chris says it makes sense to have them match. I love it. I love it. I'll be honest. Okay. Are you ready for the paper pad? Are you ready for this paper pad? Shut up. Okay. It's called Forever Friends. Here we go. Forever Friends. Now, if you are not in the Card Kit Club, I am telling you right now, this one is going to sell out. So please join. It's only a 3-month commitment. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime. You get freebies for joining, and you get 2 Ken freebies for the next, I think it's 5 months from Ken. 2 freebies in every month. So just a heads up on that. Ready? Here we go. That's the only club that's getting the Ken freebies. Okay, so there's the cute little koalas. Look, okay, this pattern, you guys, is one of my favorite background patterns. I am madly, deeply in love with this background pattern. There's our cute little koalas. Oh, you guys. Okay, there's that background pattern. Oh, my goodness. Cutout page. Look at that. I love the little sleepy guy. Isn't he cute? I love him. Then a solid. There we go. Forever friends, forever friends, forever friends, all over the place, right? Look at that background. Look at that background. I know. Michelle says, oh my gosh, so cute. Love the colors of this pad. I know. Oh, look at the dots, you guys. Look at the dots. I know. The colors in this pad are so fun. Here's some more peeps. Look at him. He's hanging in there. I love it. I love it. I love it. Corey says, I love this paper pad. Thank you. Look, stripes. So we got our stripes in there. Love the font. Linda says, yay. There. Oh, so here you go in green. You guys, in green. But then the matchy is up there, right? In the, what is that, cherry? I think that's cherry. Yeah, in the cherry. Look at this, forever friends, forever friends, forever friends. Another diagonal. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that an awesome pattern? Then we get our little koalas. Our little koalas. Now you're getting 2 sheets of each one. Mini version. The mini version's so cute. And then it starts all over again. So you're getting 2 sheets of each one. If you're new to our paper pads, you guys, these are made in the United States, printed in the United States. Listen, that's 1 sheet. This is cardstock. This is printed cardstock. I call it paper because that's what I'm just used to saying. It is cardstock. If you've never tried one of our paper pads, you have to, because this is cardstock. It's high quality cardstock. Printed, made, everything in the US, right? Okay, there's that one. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this one's next. Epoxy dots that have words. Happy, happy day. Wishing you the best. It's your day. Just a note, celebrate good times. Missing you today and always. And good times are on the way. These are those nice thick epoxy stickers, which are really fun. Carrie says your paper pads are awesome. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Jane says, yay, did my order on the tablet while watching on the phone. Oh, I love you. B&D Craft says, sounds very sturdy. It is. My love, if you've never tried our cardstock, our pattern paper cardstock, you got to try it because it is very, very thick. It's awesome. It's awesome. Michelle says, love the colors. Pam says she loves the ribbon and the matching bows. Yay. Debbie got her order in. Almost didn't get the bows. There was only 14 left. Ooh, sometimes too, the computer can't add up too quick. So, okay. Then, you guys, are you ready? Buffy stickers. Now, look at this sheet. This sheet is massive, you guys. It is massive. It is like 5 by 7 and no 4.5 by 7 in size. Look at all those awesome guys. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Now, last but not least, are you ready? Are you ready? A1 card base. I don't know how we do this. You guys, I've never really officially added up how much this is worth, all of this. We're not even thinking about the money. That it has nothing to do with that at this point, right? It is all about the fun. A1 card base. Are you ready? Hang on. Let me get a sample of it really quick because I want to show it to you and then I want you to see it. Are you ready? You are getting the A1 horizontal stage die. Look at that. You're also getting the words hang in there. They're hiding there, but you can see them on the front. You can see them on the front. Look at the background, you guys. It's little leaves. Those optional leaves are on there. Optional leaves. But look, I made one, and you're going to see this in the video that I make. Look how cute that is. Just a note. Folds flat for mailing, A1 in size, folds flat for mailing. A lot of you already have the A2 version of this. This is the A1 included in your card kit. Now, just for kicks, let me do something just for kicks. I am going to go look at the website really quick. I want to see, I hear the baby crying because I'm not down there. Okay, an A1 card base regular price on our website is $28. The card kit's not much more than that, right? The card kit is not much more than that. So yeah, you're getting a $28 die in the card kit with all the other stuff. So you are getting that with the card kit. Don't forget, my friends, 3 items were released on flash sale. Oh, and you're getting 2 Ken freebies, but I'm not going to let you see them. So released on flash sale tonight is the card front with all the numbers. So you can do all the numbers, class of, and you fill in the blanks. Then we also have the Thinking of You card, fold it. And get ready. Look how cute with the numbers on there. Use the numbers from the card front. Congrats. Look at that. That's the card front. Here's another version. Look at that. Now, the cool thing is you find out their school colors. You can make this any color you want, right? You could put their name on there. You could stamp anything you want on there. Isn't that awesome? These 3 items are on flash sale right now. Boom, boom, boom. Right now they're on flash sale. We released our card kit tonight. It's very important. If you are not in the card kit, you have to sign up now to get this one because it's going to sell out. Ken makes a couple extra each month. He made as many possible extra as he could this month, but once they're gone, they're gone. They're gone. So don't email Faylene. There's nothing she can do. This one is going to go to you. This one will get shipped to somebody. Here's a couple card samples from the card. Oh, look, there's another shaker. Oh, there we go. There we go. Isn't that cute? And so there we, oh, look at how cute that is. There's a sample. Ooh, this is a sneak peek, you guys. This card is a sneak peek. Sneak peek right there. Sneak peek. Here is the Decollage Mini Slimline we just released. Look how cute that is. For Friends Forever. You're getting these dies in the kit, Friends Forever, or Forever Friends. Both. You could do it Friends Forever or Forever Friends. Double. Glenda says, I'm in all of the clubs. You all are awesome. I love you. Thank you. Nydia says, love the card kit. Thank you. Regan says, such an amazing kit. Yes. So this is the card kit. Yes, you are getting the storage envelope each month. Yes, you are getting all the card stock. We say it's a minimum of 12 cards that you can make, but people make way, way more. Those of you that are in the card kit club, how many cards do you estimate you make in one kit? We do give you envelopes. But how many do you estimate you're making in a using a card kit? There's the puppy stickers that comes with it. There's the epoxy stickers that comes with it. You're getting a ribbon. You are getting matching bows. Thank you very much. Matching the exact same. Mandy says you make a lot more. Yes, but how many would you estimate, my love? At least 16, Debbie said. At least 16. The baby's screaming down there. Can you hear her? I'm going to have to go. Then you're also getting these fun little bumpies. Yay, Corey. Yes, hurry. And then you're going to get the paper pad also. So yes, tons packed full. Go to the website. Every single second, go to the website because once the stuff is gone, it's gone. There's 3 items on the flash sale. I'm going to go. I hear the kid crying and I need to go help. But you guys, go check out the website ASAP. Go watch the videos. I actually had to make the items go live. Our web person was having trouble uploading. She actually lost internet at her house. So I uploaded the items. So the videos might not be available right away, but rest assured they will be there eventually. Yes, it comes with, yes, it does come with the A1 card base. The leaves are optional, you guys. The leaves are an optional die. You can still use the layering die without the leaves. Okay, so check that out as well. Okay, you guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much. Go check out the website ASAP. If you're not in the card kit, you need to join like ASAP to make sure you get this kit because it will sell out. Okay, thanks, you guys. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you Thursday. Bye-bye.